Welcome to our video on the procedure for checking and adjusting the tilts on the PS and DS family of instruments. This routine has two main functions. The first is a tilt check, and a tilt check can certainly be done on every setup, which will automate the instrument to turn 180 degrees and give you some values that you can include in any of your Q&A. The second is to actually calibrate the tilt sensors, and that would only need to be done in the event that the automated check is outside of the 10-second specifications for either the X or the Y axis. It's a good idea to allow your instrument time to come up to the ambient conditions. To start the calibration process, hit the TLT_OFS button at the bottom of the screen, tilt offsets. Allow the instrument a few seconds to stabilize and note down the current tilt X and tilt Y readings. Press OK and the instrument telescope will rotate 180 degrees from the current position. You'll then need to wait a few seconds for the screen to stabilize and then note down the current X2 and Y2 readings. Once on this screen, you need to manually calculate the offset values. You do this by adding the tilt 1 or tilt X1 plus X2 divided by 2, and the same for Y, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. If those values are less than 10 seconds, then there's no adjustment needed. If the values are above 10 seconds and under 1 minute, then you will need to adjust. And to adjust, whilst in my readings, I won't need to because I've got a 4-second offset, but I'll hit the OK button to adjust anyway. And once turned 180 degrees again, back to its original face, it'll give me my current X and my current Y and my new X and Y. I can accept or not accept these values from here. So I'm going to accept these values. Now, if your instrument was above 10 seconds, it's a good option to go in and redo that calibration. The second time you do the calibration, you should be under that 10-second mark and there should be no need to run the calculation, and you just simply hit the escape button. If you do this calibration and you're doing it 2 or 3 times and it's consistently above 10 seconds, then you will need to contact position partners to have a technician look at your tilt sensors. If you do the calibration and you're over 1 minute, you'll also need to contact position partners to look at a technician for the calibration. So the key points are there: if it's under 10 seconds, there is no need to do a calibration. If it's over 10 seconds and under 1 minute, please do the calibrations and then redo the calibration to make sure it's not still out by more than 10 seconds. And if it's over 1 minute, please contact position partners. Thank you.